Bury. To put something under the ground.
I will bury the seeds in the soil. He buried the dead bird in the backyard.
Trim. To cut a little from something, like hair, plants, or clothes, to make it look better.
He is trimming the bushes in the garden. He trimmed his beard this morning.
Peel.
She is peeling the potatoes for dinner. After peeling the potatoes, wash them well.
Bump. To hit something or someone by accident.
He bumped into me and didn't say sorry. He bumped his hat on the door.
Seal. To close something completely.
Please seal the envelope before you send it. He sealed the packet with tape.
Grin. To smile widely, often showing teeth.
My brother is grinning for no reason. He grinned at me and said, "Hello."
Pile. A group of things placed on top of each other.
There is a pile of clothes on the floor. He piled the books on the table.
Gulp. To swallow something quickly, often with a loud sound.
Don't gulp your food, chew it properly. I was so thirsty, I gulped the juice in one go.
Roam. To move or walk around without a fixed direction or purpose.
He was roaming around for no reason. Why are you roaming here and there?
Weep. To cry, especially when you feel very sad or hurt.
He was weeping when I entered the room. Please don't weep. I am here for you.
pluck. To quickly pull or pick something, especially with fingers.
I plucked a mango from the tree. He plucked a hair from his beard.
Deny. To say something is not true or to refuse something.
I can't deny that I was wrong. Why are you denying it again?
Snap. To break quickly and suddenly, often with a sharp sound.
I snapped the stick into 2 pieces. He snapped the ruler while playing with it.
Feed.
My sister is feeding her baby with a spoon. I am feeding the dog now.
Chat. To talk in a friendly and informal way.
I was chatting with my friend. Sorry, I can't chat right now.
Knit.
She is knitting a scarf for her grandson. My sister is knitting a blanket for her baby.
Leak.
The water is leaking from the pipe. Please call the plumber. The tap is leaking.
Exit. To go out of a place or to leave.
He exited the room without saying anything. Exit from the left side.